Enter in the email and password details used to create your account. Then click Sign In. The LogTag Online dashboard is displayed when you first log in. The top and bottom navigation bars are always visible. The bell icon represents your notification menu. It will appear red when there is a new notification. Your account menu is on the top right. Click the Hello text to reveal a drop-down menu with links to your account, your team, and more. The bottom navigation bar contains links to each key area of LogTag Online, including the dashboard, which is currently shown. At the top of the dashboard, your account statistics are shown, along with the maximum limits of your account. These limits include the number of locations in use versus how many locations you can create in total. The dashboard itself displays three key areas: a list of the most recent devices you've registered to your account, a list of recently uploaded files from your registered devices, and finally, any locations that you've pinned to your dashboard. We'll look into each of these features in a separate video in this series.